Hi everyone, today we are going to make another origami. For this we need a marker and a paper. First fold the paper into two halves, making two rectangles. Then fold it further to make four squares. Now to make the hair, fold the paper and make two triangles out of it. A big triangle and a small one. Now turn the paper and fold it the way I'm folding it. It kind of looks like an envelope right now, but now you have to fold it like this. We've almost completed it. We just have to make two more triangles like this. And now it's ready. Now we will color the hair by the use of this marker. Now we will draw the eyes and other parts of the face. Outline them for a cleaner look. And now we will color the face with skin color. Now it's totally ready. For the mask we just need a square paper. Fold it in two halves, making two rectangles. Fold it again, making four squares. Fold it again this way, making four rectangles, four thin rectangles. Now turn the paper and we'll take the center part and put it over the upper part like this. And now we'll open it and take the lower part and put it over the second part like this. We'll open it again. Now fold over this marked line. The creases we made earlier will help in doing this. Now fold this line. It kind of looks like those paper fans that we made in school. Now open this as well. The creases look very complicated, but as you will do it, you will get to know how it is done. So our mask is almost ready. Now we'll turn it and fold. We'll also fold it from the sides so that it does not open. You can just fold it or use glue to secure it. The mask is ready now, but you can also use it in this way. You can open it and use it like this. Now we will put the mask on this boy's face. For this we will punch two holes on either sides of the mask. Now we will insert a thread inside these holes. So that the thread does not come out of the holes, we will put some knots. I also made two holes on either side of the face of this boy, and we'll put the thread in those holes as well and just tie it. So now it's ready. You can design the mask as well if you want to.